Welcome to today's video. This is another basic phonics lesson. Today we're going to be introducing some new sounds: ILD, OLD, IND, OST, and OLT. But first, let's review some of the sounds from the last couple of previous lessons. So go ahead and try to sound these out, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Ch, j, uz, ud, ing.
All right, now listen, write down the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers.
Ing, j, ud, ch, uz. Ing, j, ud, ch, uz.
All right, now try sounding out these words, and again, when you're ready, you can restart the video to listen and check.
D, aw, j, dodge. P, ch, pitch. M, a, ch, t, matched. E, j, edge. W, I, ch, uz. Witches. I, t, ch, ing. Itching.
All right, now listen and repeat.
Isled. 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 Child.
Now practice sounding out these words, and then restart the video to listen and check.
M, I, L, D. Mild. Ch, I, L, D. Child. W, I, L, D. Wild.
All right, here's another new sound. Listen and repeat.
Old. 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 Cold.
And now practice sounding out these words and restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
K, O, O, D. Cold. O, O, D. Hold. O, O, D. Old. T, O, O, D. Told.
All right, now listen and repeat.
Eind. 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 Mind.
And now practice sounding out these words. Restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
I n d find I n d kind m I n d mind I n d rind
All right, here's another new sound. Again, listen and repeat.
old 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 colt
And now practice sounding out these words. And when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
b o o t bolt j o o t jolt k o o t colt
All right, now listen and repeat the OST sound.
oast 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 host
And now practice sounding out these words and then restart the video to listen and check.
m o s t most o s t host
All right, now practice all of these words, sound them out on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
m I o d mild k I n d kind k o o d cold o s t host f I n d find b o o t bolt ch I o d child m I n d mind o o d old j o o t jolt m o s t most O, old. Hold.
All right, now listen and write the words that you hear, and then I'll replay it and fill in the correct answers.
Sold. Fold. Wild. Colt. Kind. Find. Sold. Fold. Wild. Colt. Kind. Find.
All right, now here are some sight words to review.
Friend. Story.
Now practice reading the sentences and then listen to check.
The child is wild. She is a kind host. She told him that it was cold. A colt is not old.
All right, now read the story, look at the pictures, and read the sentences, and then listen.
On a cold day, an old man told a child a story. The story told of a child that finds a wild colt and names him Bolt. Bolt was a kind colt with a smart mind. Bolt and the child were best friends.
All right, now read the entire story again, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
On a cold day, an old man told a child a story. The story told of a child that finds a wild colt and names him Bolt. Bolt was a kind colt with a smart mind. Bolt and the child were best friends.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.